These keto burgers are really simple and just absolutely delicious.
Not only are these burgers great for the grill, they're also great for camping.
Ground pork, ground beef, salt, pepper, and just a few herbs straight out of the garden.
There's nothing complicated about these at all. You just mix them up with your hands, all the ingredients, and then form them into patties, again with your hands. Or you can flatten them between two pieces of parchment paper and use a frying pan to press them down. But I made these ones by hand. Just make sure you flatten them out nice and thin. You want to grill these on medium to high heat for a couple minutes on each side. Don't play around with them, just let them sear on each side. Because you made them nice and thin, it won't hardly take any time at all. Because the ingredients are simple, it allows the flavor to just pop. Look at the juices coming off of this patty.
What is it about food cooked on fire that's so much better? It's one of the best things about camping.
I had some great footage of cooking on the fire, but clearly I screwed that up. If you're eating cheese, now's the time. Throw them on there and just let them melt. There you go, you're all ready. Make a bunch, you can freeze them or just cook them all up right away and warm them up as you need for leftovers the rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this thing, and give us a comment down below. Happy grilling!